Ever wondered why your skin never seems to achieve that flawless look, despite all the products you use? We're all familiar with common skin problems such as dryness, acne, and uneven skin tone. And we've all tried the usual solutions, creams, pills, and even drastic measures like laser treatments. But what if the answer isn't in a tube, capsule, or clinic? What if the path to perfect skin is as simple as a stroll to your kitchen pantry? What if we told you that your kitchen pantry might hold a secret weapon for perfect skin? Yes, you heard it right. Olive oil, a staple in many kitchens, can be your new skincare hero. This humble ingredient, used for centuries in cooking, also has a rich history in beauty regimes. Olive oil's skincare secrets date back to ancient civilizations, where it was revered for its nourishing and rejuvenating properties. This liquid gold is packed full of goodness. Its antioxidant properties, thanks to a high concentration of vitamins A and E, help fight off skin-damaging free radicals. Meanwhile, its hydrating properties ensure your skin remains moisturized, smooth, and supple. Olive oil is also known to have anti-inflammatory effects, bringing relief to irritated or sensitive skin. But it doesn't stop there. Olive oil also helps maintain the skin's elasticity and softness, making it an excellent natural remedy for combating signs of aging. So, how exactly does olive oil work its magic on your skin? Let's delve deeper. Olive oil is a natural powerhouse when it comes to skin benefits. Unveiling the magic of this golden liquid, we find it brimming with properties that can transform your skin. It's a natural moisturizer, perfect for those struggling with dry skin. The oil seeps deep into your skin, locking in moisture and keeping your skin hydrated and glowing. Moreover, olive oil is a formidable opponent in the fight against signs of aging. Rich in antioxidants, it helps combat free radicals that cause wrinkles and fine lines. Also, it's a boon for those dealing with inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated skin, providing relief from conditions like eczema and psoriasis. What's more, olive oil has the power to repair skin cells. It promotes skin regeneration, leaving your skin looking fresh and revitalized. It's no one-trick pony either. You can use it as a moisturizer, a makeup remover, or even add it to your bath for a soothing soak. Undoubtedly, olive oil is a versatile and effective solution for many skin problems. So to sum it up, olive oil is more than a simple kitchen staple. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamins that nourish and rejuvenate your skin. From fighting inflammation and acne to hydrating dry skin and reducing signs of aging, this natural elixir has proven itself time and again as a potent skincare solution. Next time you face a skin problem, remember to reach for that bottle of olive oil in your kitchen. It might just be the skin savior you've been looking for.